So students, our next topic is principle of prevention. So बच्चे, here you will read about the various type of reasons why it is said that prevention is better than cure, and it is very important question according to your examination also, that why it is said that prevention is better than cure. But there are three basic reasons behind that why it is said that prevention is better than cure. But first of all, see, if some person is getting the disease, the body functions are damaged. It may recover and may not recover, and it may never recover. Okay, so the second thing is the treatment takes time. Lot of time is required for the treatment. It can take 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 5 months, years, and lot of maybe full life to cure the disease. Okay, and for that period of time the body have to suffer the pain and the condition, and the body or the person can be bedridden for some time. Okay, even for the lifetime also, if the proper treatment is not given. Okay, and third one is the person who is having the disease, if suffering from infectious disease, he or she will serve as a agent, and he will spread the diseases to other person also. Okay, like COVID-19, you know that it is spreading from one person to another person. So it is said that we should take a proper preventive measure to prevent ourselves from that deadly disease. Okay, and if one person is getting that person will spread that disease to other members of the family as well as of the society. Okay, so how we can prevent the disease? But there are especially two ways to prevent the disease. First of all is stop spreading. That we have to stop the cycle of microorganism of reproduction, that we have to stop them to reproduce, to increase the number of organism in our body. Okay, so this is the most important way to get relief from the microorganism. For that we are taking antibiotics. Okay, so but antibiotics are something which that is, you can say, drugs, medicines which we are taking, that are antibiotics. Okay, so antibacterial medicines which are used to prevent ourselves from the bacteria. Okay, so they are stopping the biochemical pathway of the bacteria. Okay, so which stops them to reproduce, and ultimately the bacteria which is there in our body, that will be killed for after finishing their life cycle. Okay, so but in addition to it, there are general more principles like infectious disease. So normally what we have to do, if somebody is suffering from common cold or cough in the class, okay, so the children should not be allowed to sit around that particular